Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are and when you're watching this, welcome to a new vlog. Hope you enjoyed that last video where I talked about the solar panels and the cost and all. Thanks for that amazing response and tips. I got numerous comments about this. I got it checked yesterday at the dermatologist and they gave me some topical medication, so I just use it for a month and see, and if it still doesn't work, then they give 1 or 2 injections in 2 weeks and it should be gone. Shiva and Pranav, Chaitanya's Cobra, they both got that done previously long time back, so they had experience with this. Anyway, heading to Kompally to a cricket ground, so playing cricket with the gang after a long time. Wasn't sure if I can run with my knee well, but since last 1 month I've been running once or twice in a week, so I thought we can still try cricket. So gonna be quite a lot of fun. Not much traffic here on the road, and I've been working out something to increase the range of this car. For my driving style, usually would be around 145 watt-hours per kilometer. So that would give me a range of 200 kilometers per a full battery cycle. But I'm trying out new types of techniques. There's a thing called single pedal driving where you just use accelerator and regen to brake. So you anticipate the brakes much earlier. It's much more effective on the battery. And the range seems to be improving. It's around 138 averaging for the last 100 kilometers, so that's much better. Gonna do some hypermile driving, trying to increase the range of the car much further, and also we'll do long distance sometime soon in the next week or two. So stay tuned for that. In case you're new to this channel, check out the previous videos and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon because you don't want to miss notifications about the EV, right? This is going to be something interesting where I'm going to take this outside the city. Now we have charging stations quite a few places on the highways too. Tata has been aggressive in terms of updating their charging infrastructure. And in my Instagram page, there is a dedicated story section called EVs. I've shared where the new charging stations are up. There are almost like 80 to 100 new charging stations across India. It's just going to ramp up quite a lot more. So exciting times. Anyway, let's get to the ground and talk because quite a few people are joining. It'll be fun. The match is on. You're the opposing team captain?
Yeah.
Fielding చేయట్లే మావాడు సరిగ్గా.
బ్లాక్ చేసి ఫీల్డింగ్ చేస్తారని
ఇందాక చేయలే 9 in 2 hours. Rochi is leading scorer. You heard right? 9 balls, 8 runs. Hey, fielding Sujo! Kishore was our man of the match. 2 overs, 2 wickets. Hey, Nizangara. And that's a 4. We have Deep and Archit. Chanti bhi aaya, but he came on a 1000cc bike for this cricket match. Edwin bowling. That's a 1 run close. We'll have probably like 4 or 5 matches like this. Any match ladtar 3 gantalo? 4 matches. Kishore is very experienced. చాలా సార్లు
లాస్ట్ టైం వచ్చాను రా ఇది ఫస్ట్ సెకండ్ టైం
నేను ఫస్ట్ టైం 1000cc బండి వేసుకుని క్రికెట్ మ్యాచ్ కి వస్తున్నాను. Congrats Rochi, well done. Well played. Thanks. We won the match. Suju lost. Another player, Virender Sehwag from our inner team.
Virender Sehwag.
And see how many cars there. All different cars. Crazy man. Trail ball కూడా అద్భుతంగా ఆడుతున్న చంటి. మావాడు అన్ని కుమ్ముడే. 4 Hey, we have another new car, Seltos. Another different car. Anni different cars. Welcome to cricket. First cricket match.
Second, third, fourth.
Batting hello opening. Okay, we have 64 to win. Sriman and Chanti are opening. One is Chris Gale. Hey, one is Chris Gale. Another is your batting will come.
Yes.
Sujo, ఒకటి క్రిస్ గేల్ ఇంకోటి ఏంటి? ప్రజ్ఞానోజనా. ఏ ఇంకా నేను నటరాజన్ అనుకున్నారా?
నటరాజన్ ఆడదు ప్రజ్ఞానోజ్ అసలు ఆడు బ్యాటింగ్.
63 out of 10 overs, 64 out of 10.
Aditya, we miss you. I don't miss him, dude. Hey. I miss you, Aditya. Dude, bloody fellow. I bought this for you.
Yeah, we're bringing aloo bhujia, but he's not eating.
Aloo bhujia.
Edwin. బాగా తింటున్నావు. ఎవరు గెలిచారు? మేము ఒకసారి గెలిచా, తర్వాత అన్నీ మొన్నలే. లక్ బాగుంది. అండ్ ఆదిత్య కూడా వచ్చిండు కానీ ఆడలే. లాస్ట్లో వచ్చాడు సునీల్ లాగా. After that game, all of us chilled for a while at a coffee shop and then chit-chatted for some time and then went back home late in the night. And I wanted to come home early because I wanted to see United play Liverpool, the big game of the season. If you are unaware, I'm a big United fan, but it was a goalless draw and it was disappointing. I wanted United, my team United, to win, but we're still on top. Anyway, just heading home after a quick errand, and today we have something special. Tata Motors interviewing us about the Nexon EV. They're doing this to few customers here in Hyderabad. That out of the 3 customers, I'm one among them. Mostly because of the lot of love that you already showed, that they wanted me to be part of the 3 customers from Hyderabad. So they probably, I have no idea what the interview is about. They're just waiting at the home. So just gonna head there. And also I've decided to go with a 5 kilowatt system solar panel for my house. And so some of the parts have arrived too. Kind of a busy day. It was kind of dull all day today morning, but suddenly a lot of work. Chalo, we'll get the interview done and then we'll catch you in a while. You thought this equipment is less? Wait till you see it.
थोड़ा इसको थोड़ा साइड होना चाहिए. तो साइड में थोड़ा साइड में. Then we do the lighting.
Lot more equipment than what I've seen so far. So this is going to be a very candid interview, and it will be a collage among 15 other people that talk about the Nexon EV. So there's going to be only small bits. This is the first time I'm actually getting interviewed for something. Kind of excited. They said they'll call me in a short while once their setup is done. Man, their setup looks huge. They have like a big bag of lenses, big camera, mic, lighting, external audio, external video recorders. We'll actually interview them once our interview is done, okay?
बस इधर आ सकते हो. थोड़ा पीछे शुरू करो. Should we go ahead?
Sure.
What do you think about the charging? Have you tried the fast charge feature as yet?
I'm utilizing that quite a lot. So once every month I use the fast charge and rest of the time it's at home.
Cut.
Tata Network for charging? Yes, I did. And I've been using them since the last 6 months, at least once every month. 90% of the time it works perfectly well. Occasionally when it didn't work, it's because it's inside a mall and the mall's shut after 10 o'clock. That's when I'm out usually.
How was your experience using the app? Did you like the features connected to the app?
Initially it was slightly buggy, like any other new technology that's in the market. But then they recently rolled out few updates when they changed quite a lot of things, and now it's pretty effective that I turn on the AC sometimes before I start the car, and occasionally when I have to unlock something from, let's say, 5th floor of an apartment that my friend has to use something or get something from the car, I don't need to give him the key. I can just use the phone app to do it, and I track the car using the app. Whenever I give it to a valet, I set the valet mode, so the valet doesn't get excited and take the electric car much further than it's needed to be. So I can do some of that stuff pretty easily on an electric car. Just done with the shoot, wrapping up. You guys carry a lot of bags here.
Part of the job.
Part of the job. You want to introduce yourself, your firm?
I'm Shreyansh. I'm basically directing this AV. We've come all the way from Mumbai with all this luggage. That's Imran, our
Hi.
DOP, Ritesh, taking care of all the equipments.
This is my first ever shoot that I did besides my marriage shoot. And it was quite a fun shoot. They came fully prepared. They had all the questions, and I hope I answered them and did
You were
well.
just great.
Thank you so much.
Short
Thank you so
and
much. Advantage of being already exposed to the camera. Anyway, that's it guys. We'll catch you guys in short. Had a good time discussing a lot of technical stuff with these guys, because besides the shoot, these guys were very passionate about their art. Talked a lot about composition, lenses, post-production, matlab editing, and also how their work is, the nature of their work. They travel a lot. They are so busy, they're shooting almost non-stop. In fact, Tata spent a lot of money on this shoot. It's going to be just a 2-minute clip. It should come out sometime by the end of this month or early next month. And they're gonna have a collage of interviews from different customers across India. So they had a shoot, they had a team in Kolkata, there is a team here in Hyderabad and also in Mumbai. So I don't know how much they would squeeze in 2 minutes, and we'll probably be just for a few seconds there, but still recognized. Thanks to Tata for having this interview. and I'm a happy customer. And in case you're considering Nexon EV, definitely check it out. Whatever issues I had in the beginning were just teething problems, and everything is sorted. So definitely consider that. No, I'm not just saying because they did the interview, but I'm actually a happy customer. And I probably tell you everything in my previous video, so this is not just any sponsored stuff as such. So yeah, it was a fun shoot, fun first debut shoot of me. Probably I'm boasting too much of it, but it's just exciting to be shot in someone else's video besides my friends and my video, right? Anyway, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and I look forward to more shoots and more such videos. Just being cheesy. We still got the 90-day challenge extended till March, as I said in the last video, so still need your support. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell icon for instant notifications. Catch you on the next one, and in case you're watching this nighttime, have a good night and take care. Bye bye.